You saw while loop or do while loop before, but you didn't know the difference between them, or they are equivalent to for loop. Don't worry, today I will help you answer the question very clearly, okay? Hey, it's Anthony with Take a Seat Back again. I teach Java tutorial on this channel, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell next to the subscribe button to receive the notification about all of my new videos. Okay, now let's go. Let's just begin today's tutorial by creating a new Java project. So right click and select Java project. So inside here, I'm gonna name it whileloop and hit finish. So do another class inside the source folder, and I'm gonna call it tutorial. Okay, and hit the first checkbox and then hit finish. Okay, so here's how you can use while loop. So a while loop statement is start with the keywords while and followed by a pair of parentheses and then followed by a pair of curly braces like this. So inside the pair of parentheses you have to put a condition value here. So let's say I would put true here. I will explain this in a second. So a while loop is to ask the system to run the script inside the pair of curly braces here forever until the trigger inside here become wrong. So if I put true here, it will never go wrong. So if I just print out anything inside here, and the program will run forever. So let's say I print out please subscribe, and I run the code. So you will see please subscribe is running forever until I click terminate right here to stop the program. So the while loop is to ask the system to run the script inside the pair of curly braces right here is forever. Okay, I will have one more example for you to better understand this situation. So let's say, for example, I have an integer variable, and I'm gonna call it cow. So I'm initialize that to 0. So inside here, inside the pair of parentheses, I'm gonna call y cow is smaller than 10, and inside here I'm gonna make the cow, I'm gonna increment the cow by 1 for each turn. Okay, so can you guess how many times that please subscribe will be printed into the console right here? So please comment down below the answer. Okay, I will give you 3 seconds to comment down in the comment section below. Okay, so please go to the comment section now. The answer for this question is 10 times. Okay, so please subscribe will be printed into the console for 10 times. So to test that, I will run the program. So you will see 3, 6, 9, and 10. So please subscribe is printed into the console for 10 times because when count become equal or bigger than 10, please subscribe. So the script inside here will be terminate automatically. So after printing the please subscribe for 1 time, count becomes 1, and until please subscribe is printed into the console for the 10 time, count will also be 10. So the condition inside the parentheses here is it become wrong. So the system would terminate all the thing inside a pair of curly braces here. Okay, so you may see the similarity between for loop and while loop. I created a for loop tutorial, so if you haven't watched that video, so please find at the top right corner of this video or in the description. So now I'm gonna write again a for loop program for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna write a for loop. So a for and with and followed by a pair of parentheses. So inside here I'm gonna call I equals 0, I smaller than 10, and I plus plus. So, and inside here I'm gonna call system.out.println, and I'm gonna put please like, share to your friend. And what this statement will do, it will print out please like and share to your friend 10 times, just exactly that what the while loop will do in here. So if I run the program, so you will see please like, share to your friends, it printed into the console for 10 times, and please subscribe is printed into the console for 10 times. So you can see here the for loop right here and the while loop right here, they are essentially similar. Okay, actually in Java we also have one more type of loop, and it's called do while loop. So I'm gonna clear everything and start from the beginning. So the do while loop is start by the keyword do and followed by a pair of curly braces. So next to the second curly braces, I'm gonna put the keyword y here, and inside the pair of parentheses I'm gonna put the condition value here. So I'm gonna put count equal 1. So inside here I'm gonna call a system.out.print, and I'm gonna print to the console the statement hello world. So if I try to run the program, so you will see hello world is still printed into the console, even the condition is count equal 1, but count is initialized to 0. So the do while loop, it means the do while loop, it will run the script inside the pair of curly braces here, and then it will check for the condition inside the pair of parentheses. So inside here the do while loop, it will print out the hello world, and then it check for the value of cow. So because the cow here is equal to 0 and it's not equal to 1, so the program will terminate after printing the hello world into the console. Okay, to better understand the difference between while loop and do while loop, I'm gonna comment this while loop out, and I'm gonna write the same thing, but now I put the keyword y first and then count equal 1. So inside the curly braces I still print out the statement hello world inside here. And if I try to run the program, so you will see here nothing is printed into the console, because for the while loop it check for the condition first, and then it will execute the script inside the pair of curly braces. But for the do while loop, it will execute the thing inside the pair of curly braces, and then it will check for the program. So the while loop here, it check for the value of cow is not equal to 1, so the program will terminate. So yeah, nothing will be printed into the console. Okay, and if this tutorial is helpful, smash the like button and share if you think it can help someone you know. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here today. I really appreciate that.